Hey kids, hope you're all well. So a nice quick video for you today. Just going to show off this gift set that I picked up for a bargain, half price this week. So I thought I'd share it because a few fans of the old three stripes like myself may be interested. So I got this for £25 from M&M Direct. That is a bargain, I think, for what you get. It's half price, what can you say? So yeah, nice black box here. Let's crack it open. The Adidas Shoe Shine Shoe Care Kit. Let's get this in focus. Nice detail there on the inside of the box. It is a nice little gift set, this, I think. So here you go, guys. You do have Adidas branded cleaning stuff, basically. Right, so we've got cleaning drops, the repellent spray, got a microfiber cloth here that folds out, you've got a sponge, and you've got the cleaning brush. It's a horsehair brush. So as you can see, everything's branded up. These bottles, it's a little bit different to what I showed about a year ago. The separate bottles, these are actually glass bottles, as opposed to the plastic bottles in those separate kits. So it's a little bit more of an exclusive kit, this one. So I'll just put that back in. How large are the bottles for you? 100 ml each. So yeah, I think it's a nice little kit, this. Whether you want to just collect it and keep it as part of the set, or you want to use it. Nice little set. Very quick video for you. Yeah. So in other news, I will be at Laces Out on the 22nd of June. So if you spot me there, if you know what I look like, come and say hello. Yeah, be nice events to make some friends in the sneaker and trainer community, and have a bit of a good laugh, a few beers, etc. as well. As always, kids, yeah, take care, and I will catch you next time. Cheers.